Welcome to Bambi Baby, and I bring to you the Stokke Beat. The Stokke Beat stroller allows you to make it a travel system with the Stokke Pippa car seat, and it allows you to add a wheel board down below for a toddler or a sibling. Very simple to remove the wheel board by just pulling it back, it releases, it comes off. It doesn't lock in place, but it allows you to fold the stroller without it. As a travel system, it's a great simple little unit. All you got to do is push the two buttons and it releases up on top. And to fold the stroller down, ideally you want to tuck the handle all the way down first, reach down below and pull the trigger. It's super light. The trick is you got to slide this pin over and then squeeze the handle. But when I do that, it is also very simple to open up and release. As a snap and go little travel system, this connects on there. It's super, super easy, large basket. But it does have a reversible seat. So it's a lay flat harness, fully adjustable, drawstring recline. So I could just release the drawstring, bring it all the way up. It does have an extendable canopy by unzipping it and giving you a full enclosure. When it's in this cradle bassinet mode, I could bring it on up, squeeze the two triggers on the side, release it. The seat is reversible, lines up and locks into place. It has a multiple position adjustable handle for comfort. Very easy push brake system. So it's push and push. Very, very practical. To fold it, bring the handle all the way down and tuck it. Bring the basket up and then reach underneath and fold it down. At 21 pounds, super lightweight. It's only 19 inches wide and it can carry a second child. If you have any questions, feel free to call one of our customer service reps.